Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? It's another wonderful day. We thank God for the gift of life. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lynette Solar Travels. Is here our daily routine while I'm in the village, guys. Our daily routine while in the village. We are just feeding our birds. We check their progress, how they are doing. The sun is too hot. They are hiding under the shade. You can see. There they are. You can see them coming. Yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot. Now they have moved from where they were hiding. And you can see them very healthy and looking lively. Lovely. Ebu itapita, angalia hii si ni si. Ako wapi pita? Guys, this part is for the cocks, the roosters only, and we have our layers in a different partition. We are just trying to expand our farm. At least we put them differently because our layers are right now giving us eggs. Wacha tu kama ako hapa ako busy. Yeah, this side is for our layers, and we want to check their progress. So far so good, we thank God. Peter, uko ndani? Ako wapi Peter? Mama. Uchi mau? Oh, sama nita? Nisa miyogi chemo? Oh. They're doing great progress. See them? It's almost time for lunch and they know the time. Everyone is awake. No one is sleeping. As you can see, they are all awake. They are waiting for their lunch. Lunch time in the next 1 minute. Meals time, guys. Meals time. It's time for lunch. And like we are all active, you can see. We are all active here when it comes to meals, like human beings. Everyone is active. Njaa ni kitu kibaya. Hey. Like they are getting the same ratio. Wow. Remy, chunga chacha moko kwa kikidonji neno gidhiro gino ama iko strong leo. Wow, guys. Check what is happening on the ground. Feeding my layers quality feeds. Here we are talking of quality so that you get quality eggs. High egg production after eating quality feeds. This is what you need to do as a farmer. Just monitor the way they are eating. Each and everyone. Like everyone is busy. Let me move this side. Guys, now you are seeing the advantages of having a layers cage. We minimize the wastage, feed wastage. You see, feed wastage. Advantage number 1. Feed wastage. Advantage number 2. We minimize drinking water wastage or being sprinkled down. You see where that water is? That is the drinking can or the drinker. and the water will flow along the pipe, and they see this will really attract them. This is where the water is coming from. Let me just show you a little bit. You see, water is coming from that place. So we minimize wastage of food, wastage of water. Number 3 advantages of having a layers cage. We ensure all are eating equally at the same time. But when you put them in a crowd, you'll realize that some will beat the others, will jump on them, they won't be given space to eat. And this here, you can see the cage, everyone is normal, everyone is equal, and they are eating equal food. Like, one cannot come from that side to come and eat here. This one is meant for the 3, and this one here meant for the 3. You can check, they are eating equally. And the advantages of giving them equal food, you will notice equal growth. Like, others will not be fatter than the other. You see, they will be eating equally, drinking water equally, eating food equally, same ratio to each and every individual. Another advantage of the cage, when they lay their egg, they can't peck on that egg. They can't eat that egg using the beak. Even if you've not done the beaking, still they can't access that egg, because the moment they are going to lay, the egg will roll. This cage is placed in a way that it is somehow slanted. You can see here, somehow slant, and the egg is being laid there. It will flow up to this place. So I will just come and pick my eggs here as I move. They can't access that egg after laying, guys. That is very good of this cage. So the cage has got many advantages. The disadvantage is only one. Like, everything has an advantage and a disadvantage. So the disadvantage of the cage is that they can't move freely. They are in confined environment. And before, they were used to free range rearing. Hope you've been watching my videos. Before I brought them inside the cage, they were used to free range rearing, where they just walk, look for natural foods on the ground, they scratch the ground, they get the fresh air, but still the fresh air is here, but they are limited. They can't move from this place. That is the only advantages I'm seeing so far. And the advantages are very many. Disadvantage is only one. The movement is limited. No more freedom. They are limited. Their movement is limited compared to these ones are still at free range. They are still enjoying scratching the ground all the time. So the cage has very many advantages, and you can check how they are enjoying their meal at the same time. At the same time, guys. At the same time, you can check. They're enjoying the meal at the same time and drinking water equally. See that one drinking water? Equally distribution of food and water. Yeah. Everyone is enjoying. So guys, to my first time viewers, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel Lynette Solar Travels to know more about the cage, to know more about the layers, to know more about the free range rearing, and to know more about feeding your chicken. Click that notification bell so that any upload there and then, updates there and then. Thank you, my subscribers, for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate your support. At the end, at the comment section, tell me what you think about my layers, my birds, and my farm. And we are moving from step to step. We are soon expanding this farm so that we bring in more cages, because we have very many layers. The cage is very expensive for a starter or a beginner like me. Bringing 5 units might be a challenge financially, but with the time we are expanding the farm. Stay with us together. We are prospering together as a family. And thank you for watching my video. Have a blessed day and bye. See you in our next video. Bye bye for now.